Hi, I'm Karen for Expert Village. Let's cut out our fabric for our bear pattern. First, you want to take a piece of fleecy fabric and with the right sides together, fold it in half so that the outside of the fabric should be actually on the inside to start. Then lay your pattern on top of the fabric and place some pins through the paper and through the fabric, making sure that you've caught all thicknesses. And that's just to secure the paper in place. And then we'll cut that out. You want to make sure that you pin it in quite a few spots so that the fabric won't slip while you're cutting it, so you'll have it cut out nice and evenly. And then just cut right. Now, if you're using a very thick fabric and it's difficult to double it like this, you can cut out two separately. It would be fine. This fabric is great. It's that fleecy fabric, and it's easy to work with, and it has a nice fuzzy and soft feeling. It's a lot easier to work with than an animal fur, the fake fur. It's just a lot easier to manage. So if this is a first project, I would recommend using this fleecy fabric instead of getting an animal fleece, the fake fur. It's a lot harder to work with because it's got such a high pile. And then just go around cutting it as accurately as you can. Okay, and we'll just check that out and make sure that it looks like it's cut evenly. Trim it up if you see you've made any mistakes. And trim that up. That looks good. You can remove the pins, and then we'll cut the fabric for the clothing and the bedding.